Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to find and join Instagram groups. Whether you are looking for engagement pods to boost your likes or just want to join random social chats, there are 3 specific ways to find them since Instagram doesn't have a public group search bar. Let's jump right into it. The easiest way to find random groups is to look for accounts that are dedicated to hosting them. Open the Instagram app and tap the search icon at the bottom. Type in keywords like engagement group, DM group, game chat, or even specific interests like travel group. Switch the search filter to accounts or tags. Look for profiles that have a link in their bio saying join chat or join channel. Many of these profiles are set up just to share a direct link to a group chat. Simply tap the link and hit join group. If you are looking for communities run by your favorite creators, you want to use the broadcast channel feature. Go to the profile of a creator you follow. Look right below their bio text. If they have a community, you will see a bubble icon with a name. Tap that link to preview the channel. Hit the blue join button at the bottom to get added to their list. Once you join, these channels will appear in your DM inbox under the Channels tab, keeping them separate from your regular messages. If you need serious engagement groups or pods for growth, you usually won't find them inside Instagram itself because they're private. You need to look on external platforms like Reddit or Telegram. Search for threads titled engagement group links or Instagram pods. Users there often drop links to Telegram groups or Discord servers where they organize these Instagram pods. Once you join the external group, they'll verify you and then add you to the private Instagram DM group manually. And that's it. You now know how to hunt down both public chats and private engagement pods. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.